Hello, hello, hello. D7 here, kicking off the week Monday, September 11th, 2017. And the markets go bullish. Dow up 259 points. We're up 1% on the spider. Diamonds, the Dow up 1%, Nasdaq 1%, the Russell's 2000 1%. Banks 2.3%, financials 1.7%, huge rally. US dollar flat, crude oil up 1%, but gold down 1.4%, silver down 1.5%. The VIX decreasing by 11.5%, so fear down. Woo! Check it out. Big pop. I put a buy here. The markets, even on some decent volume, had an explosive rally to the upside, breaking a lot of resistance, guys. And we didn't get a lot of selling into this. The only issue that I'm concerned with, one, we have resistance coming very close, but it has to do with the weekly chart. Let me show you this. The weekly chart, we're already approaching this resistance area on the weekly. We're already there. So that could be a problem. But we're just getting started on the week. Let's see what happens. Will we get any follow through? We may not. All right, the Dow got a pop, and it also gets a buy because I am forced to do it, but it smashed its head on two resistance areas. I'm going to get rid of this one. But this swing high coming across, okay, this swing high coming across, and then this major trend line coming up, bam, smashes its head on it. That is troubled area. What will tomorrow bring at this resistance? Will we just blast through it? Will we hang up there? Will we retreat? Will sellers come in? Really, usually what happens, I mean, let me just show this to you. We go, just watch this line. Let's just look at it pragmatically as technicians. Okay, we get to this line, okay, as support, and we go higher. We get to this line as support, we go higher. We break the line, okay, we go down. Now it's resistance. We come up again, now it's resistance. Do you see this? Now it's resistance. Every time it's at resistance, it drops. It drops. So that's, and it happens to be at a previous swing high. Gang, this area is kind of a trouble area. All right, Nasdaq, this is tech stocks. We get a pop, boom, we go higher. I got to sell on it. Oh boy, do I want to put a buy on this? It might be short-lived. Oh boy, do I really want to do this? All right, I'm going to put a buy on it. Okay. Oh, there it is. I think it's going to be short-lived. We got resistance right there. Again, let me build the case for you. We got a resistance line here. We hit it and we drop. We get to it again, we drop. We touch it there, we drop. We get to it here, we drop. We're near it again. And if you look at this big rising wedge, which is more bearish than it is bullish, and that is a bearish pattern. Russell's 2000. This dude had a symmetrical triangle. I told you guys we go higher. I said this thing, I got to sell on it, but it looks like it's going to go bullish. And if it breaks out, it could move. And sure enough, boom, to the upside. There's my buy on it. And we cleared this area of resistance coming across. I don't have that line coming across, but it was there. And yeah. So quick look at the banks. The banks popped higher, so I need to put a buy on that. Remember how I said I'd probably be putting a buy on that soon? There it is. Popped up, just broke through a lot of resistance on that pop, but we still have this resistance to deal with. I'm going to get rid of this line now. And those are the lines that I'm dealing with at this moment. This line doesn't make sense anymore. I'm going to get rid of that one. So those are our two lines and the 20-day moving average on the banks. Financials crashed all through these areas of resistance, but this line coming across, see support right there, support, and then we broke support. Now we're at resistance. Sellers came into that area, and we're below the 20-day moving average. Even though I got a buy there, it's hard telling how long that's going to last. That could turn around and be a sell pretty quickly. US dollar yesterday, or today, I think it was today, I called it a buy. Big pop today on the US dollar. I'm getting bad data right here. And so we had U.S. dollar had a pretty big rally. Crude oil called it a sell yesterday, but it looks like it's trying to pop. Crude oil, it might be a buy fairly soon. Let's see if that happens. But gold, big sell on gold. Remember I said look at a little toppy, be careful with that. Sure enough, silver, bam, to the downside. VIX, I had a buy on it, but now I got to put a sell on the VIX with today's drop. There it is. A quick look at, oh man, before we look at tech stocks, there's a ticker or I don't see it because this is pre-editing, but there's a URL right here. Tonight, if you get this before 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can join us tonight for a webinar. Get signed up. It's only 15 minutes. I'm going to keep it to 15 minutes to talk about our mentoring. So if you're interested, like, hey, I'm interested in mentoring, you know, doing it this weekend or maybe another weekend down the in the future, you just want data. You just want information. Join the webinar tonight, or we have another one Wednesday. You can join us on Wednesday too. Go to the link and you can kind of pick what time works best for you. Join us. I'm going to keep it at 15 minutes. Just very quick. Just information, just the facts, just to get you some information to, yeah, find out if mentoring is in your future with us or not. As the question you always have to ask yourself is, how would your life benefit with one of our mentors helping you? How would your trading life benefit with one of our trading mentors helping you? That's the question. Let's go to some tech stocks. Tech stocks, Grok tech stocks. Wow. So apparently I have a buy on it already. So I need to check this. Somebody, I don't know, I forget which one of you who uses TradingView. You say if you have over, 1,000, 2,000 different lines and whatever you want to call these, arrows or whatever, plots on the chart, that they start to see them get removed. If that's the case, because I really thought I need to, if someone, extra bonus points, if you are in YouTube and you can find a video the last time I did all the tech stocks and you can see where I put a sell on this, I just need to, if you tell me where the video is, I'll go and look at it myself and so I can re-put those cells there. But anyway, that would be a buy. Do I really want to put a second buy there? I mean, I should. So when I put the sell there. Okay. This one, Amazon. This is a high base. Look for Amazon to go higher, guys. This could be a nice bullish move. I got a buy on this already on Baba. Boom! To the upside. There's a 3% move today. And then Cisco did a 2.3% move today. Big pop. I got a buy on it. It continued to be a buy. Catfish. I call it catfish. eBay. Let's look at eBay. Big pop. But this, look to sell this soon. eBay is going to be a sell soon. Facebook, got a buy on it. It's going higher. Still looking good. Google, Alphabet, got a buy on it. High base, look for that to go higher. Google, Alphabet, same thing. Look for that to break out higher. GoPro's up 6.4%. Are you kidding me? What a rally. Called it a buyback here last part of August, and it is on fire. All right, Microsoft up 1%, but it's at resistance, guys. Be ready to sell that. NVIDIA up 3.2%, but it's at resistance. Look at this. See this at resistance. I'm not going to put a buy on this. I should put a buy on there. I can't because I'm at resistance. So I'm going to stay with my sell. Oracle just keeps going higher after my buy call. Priceline, got a buy call and it's a high base, breaking that already on nice volume. Look for more upside from that. PayPal, 2.5% rally. Nice pop. Got a buy here. Look at this thing ready to go. Red Hat, up. Snap down a little bit, but I got a buy on it. And Twitter, 1.2% up, and now above all the major moving averages. There it is. Take care. Catch you guys later. Okay. This is my coffee. Went to Chick-fil-A today. They did a ceremonial half-mast. It was a flag thing. The fire department came out to remember 9/11. And 9/11, a lot of you guys that come through and watch our videos, a lot of you mentor students, all you guys who are part of the military or have been part of the military, so much respect from us to you. The lives that were lost on 9/11, sobering. I mean, I remember where I was when I watched those towers come down. 16 years ago. Long time. Just shows we have an enemy in this world. And it's no good. Anyway, with the hurricanes hitting us, a lot going on in the world. Some time to... These market moves, great time to make money in the markets. I mean, it's there for the taking. Whoever positions themselves the best. So, anyway, I don't know if these little talks at the end of the videos, because I try to end it like, there you are, hey, thanks, and I try to end them. But maybe I'll just come on and chat a little bit from time to time. Kind of like a blog. Spoke to an individual today. He's been in the military a long time, and they build Navy ships. He was talking to us about getting signed up for our mentorship coming up, and it's interesting. He's building a new ship called the... Oh, where's my paperwork at? Hold on. He's building a DDG destroyer. It's a brand new ship coming out called the DDG. And their ships are made of composite now. Very few of them are steel. Isn't that something? I love the students that come through. It's fascinating. A lot of them are engineer types. They're builders. They make cool things. They're inventors. Had one guy that has 100 U.S. patents. He's an inventor. An older gentleman. Has some really cool stuff. But talking with him, but he's been military a long time. A deep sea diver also. It's our second deep sea diver that we've had. But anyway, very interesting. Our mentorship, we have a belief that every person should be mentored, period. If any trader is gonna reach their full potential in the markets, they have to have a mentor. So we put together the best mentorship program out there by putting real traders as mentors and putting together a rock-solid curriculum that we teach, that we've been tweaking for a decade in the markets, 10 years. It is the best of the best. Anyway, I'm just jabbering. There it is. There it is. Catch up with you guys later.